everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Indian pharmacy product, that is the Eyebliss Under Eye Cream, which combats a dark circle and revitalizes the skin. So what are the different ingredients present in it, who all can use it, and what are the drawbacks related to this eye cream? When you turn the tube and see the different ingredients here, the first ingredient is almond oil, and it is in the 1%. So you need to understand, if there is almond oil, the oily skin types can't use it. It is for the normal to dry skin types. It is especially formulated for the under eye dark circles. I use it every day persistently after my face wash, and this is Indian pharmacy product, so it is inexpensive and it works expensive, and I can actually recommend it to most of the viewers who are watching my video. This cream is that level good. I'm absolutely in love with this cream. I do sometimes suffer from dry patches under my eyes, and I do have like lines, which is because I live in a cold place, and when my moisturization just comes off, then it is getting cold and my skin becomes super dry, and I need something that can help me moisturize my under eye area and also reduce the pigmentation. It also has alpha-arbutin, a popular known tyrosinase inhibitor, which is quite gentle on dry skin types and can help to reduce the melanin production in the certain area. The base of this formulation is the liquid paraffin. I don't know if you guys know, light liquid paraffin acts as a shield on the skin, so it doesn't lead to dry patches. If you're someone who lives in cold places and you constantly face dryness on the skin, you can use a slugging method, that is with the Vaseline. It has the liquid paraffin in it. It does have it, and you can make like a thick layer and let that skin retain that moisture. So it makes like a thick layer. It doesn't lead to water loss. The water is on the skin and it will make a protected shield so that it doesn't lose water. It has green tea extract, which is high in antioxidant property and can help to combat that oxidative stress. The next ingredient here is the cucumber extract. Now, cucumber extract helps with the soothing. It's a botanical extract. It doesn't have any fragrance, so it's excellent formulation for the sensitive skin type or someone who has dark circles and want to reduce it. If you see in the end of the ingredient list, there is vitamin E and vitamin K1. Now, what are these? Vitamin E, known as tocopherol, is helping with the antioxidant property and can also be useful for barrier repair. Whereas vitamin K1 Vitamin K1 helps for the circulation under your eyes. Usually the dark eye whole anatomy is because of the blood clots, and blood circulation is not proper because we're stressing this area, like looking at the screen. So it's a whole new chapter that we can talk about. So why does the dark circles happen? If you really want a video on that, write down in the comment section below and I will make a video on it. Why does the dark circles appear for skin of color more prominent as compared to the Caucasian skin type, and what are the different types of dark circles that we face? If you really want a video on that, please write down in the comment section below and I will work on it. So this vitamin K1 in the studies has shown to improve the circulation, and then it can help with the capillary function. The overall skin near the eye starts to work better. The blood circulation is quite faster, so that is when you can see a reduction. And plus it has tyrosinase inhibitor, that is alpha-arbutin, which helps with the proper regulation of melanin, which can give you that nice flawless under eyes. So what I really like about this whole formulation is that the ingredient list is quite crisp. There is not a lot of like ingredients that has been added just to show that, oh, there is botanical extract, there is flower extract, there is leaf extract. You don't need that. It is quite simple. It is crisp. It also has alpha-arbutin, which is not a strong acid. It can be tolerated well by the sensitive skin types, and it is a well formulated product. It's not for oily skin types, let me tell you, because it has almond oil, which can be comedogenic. If you're someone who falls into the category of the dry skin type with under eye dark circles and you want to reduce that puffiness and you want to improve the pigmentation that is under your eyes, then you can use this product. The drawback about this is that the makeup doesn't sit well on this formulation. I can't do eye makeup when I'm applying this under my eyes because it's just the makeup just doesn't sit well. It feels cakey near your eyes. So it's better that you use it at nighttime before going to sleep, and it might work really well into the different layers and can show you improvement. So you need to understand that this is not a miracle product that you will get results like in a month. Usually you should use any skincare formulation out there for good 3 to 4 months to see any difference. Regularly, persistently, without skipping a single day. You have to be punctual to your skincare. You have to be patient. You cannot get results instantly. There is no such formulation out there that can give instant results. This is like unrealistic for me because your skin cells need to absorb it and it needs to penetrate into different layers and then it will show results. It is a slow process and your skin needs to shed. It's a whole different process. This is how the skin works, you know. It sheds, it brings new skin cells, and if the new skin cells get more proper skincare ingredients that can be nourishing for them, it will look plump, hydrated, it will look very much flawless. But if you don't use proper skincare, it can lead to disaster. And the other thing is that the packaging is so well done. If you see, it has a precise like tube. You can let out a little bit of product and you can have a proper control over the product. You can use one drop or you can use like a whole line and then nicely massage it into the skin. And it just gets absorbed into seconds, you know, like that's it. Your skin got this, and it doesn't even leave any sort of greasy feeling. It rather seems like moisturized feeling, even though it has high number of liquid paraffin into its formulation. Just a reminder out there, if you're someone who is pregnant or you're lactating, breastfeeding, then please consult your dermatologist before applying this on your face. Please don't be your own doctor and try to prescribe things that is just not right for you. I keep telling you, like, the products that I sometimes mention in my channel are not always over-the-counter drugs or the skincare products. You sometimes need prescription for it. I paid 407 Indian rupees for 15 gram of this eye cream. Wow, this is very inexpensive in my opinion, because there are so many eye creams out there where people spend like thousands of Indian rupees, like 1,000 to 2,000, 3,000. I mean, why are you spending so much when Indian pharmacy can offer you something really good? Okay, now to my personal thoughts about this. I've been using this for more than 5 months now, and I will be honest, my under eye dark circle has reduced. Over time, it didn't reduce instantly. It took me at least 3 months to see some results. As I'm a researcher, I do have a lot of assignments, research paper writing. So sometimes I'm super stressed and I do have puffy eyes. I don't sleep well and I don't have a very good sleep schedule sometimes. So this cream has been my lifesaver, and I'm not gonna lie to you, this is how much I love this cream. My personal takes on this is that it has all the important complete ingredient list, which can be really useful for the dry and pigmented skin types. I like the idea that they kept the ingredient list quite crisp and just made it a top priority to add the proper amount of the tyrosinase inhibitor, that is 2%, which can be gentle on the under eye skin and can also reduce the melanin production. So they also added this hespertin, laureth and vitamin K1, which both are helping with the blood circulation and also for the capillary function, which is excellent for the people who have this, puffy eyes and dark circles, which looks really crazy. And I love this formulation in general, and I think I will give it 10 out of 10. It's just because I personally used it and I have loved it ever since I purchased it, because it is that good. Again, a tip, use it at the night time, not at the daytime. The makeup won't sit well on your skin and you might look really like a panda after some time. This is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and I will get back to you with answers. And also make sure that you follow me on my different social media handles. It helps me as an influencer to grow. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon because it helps me as a YouTuber to grow. Thank you very much for all the support, guys. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.